Hello and welcome to Model Minutes. This episode is a quick review of the 172nd Curtiss Tomahawk IIB from Airfix. Now this is the exact same model as that featured in the starter set video I made previously. So if you'd like to see a quick build, that would be the video to watch. The primary difference between that model and this one is of the paint scheme. This features the earlier paint scheme from the Battle of Britain, which wasn't yet removed from the aircraft when it went to Egypt. The parts in the kit were very finely moulded with no to very little flash, and the parts required the minimum of cleaning up before assembly. The paint scheme was relatively easy to apply, as I've had some experience of painting Battle of Britain style aircraft before. I used acrylic Humbrol paints and thinned them 50-50 with water to ensure there were minimal brush strokes present on the finished model. When the decals were applied, Humbrol decal fix was used in order to make the decals appear as if they were painted on the model and really settle them in. I dry brushed silver and black in relevant places in order to simulate grime and accumulated stains from service. All in all, I think this is one of my favourite builds so far, and I'm quite happy with the results. Let me know what you think of this model in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video. If you like what you saw, make sure to subscribe to find out when my next video goes live. See you all again next time.